Wow, an earthquake. Donna, there's been an earthquake in southern Italy, and it might be that the area is close to me. I'm just being told by Sylvia. I'll have a look now and find out. Thank you, Sylvia, because I didn't know. I'm not following any news at all. No news. So we were going to fly from Rome to the place next door to Cosenza. I've forgotten the name of it. And I'll have a look. I'll have a check. Thank you. Drama. It's good for us. Isn't drama good for us? Flying into an earthquake. I hope not.